Students, so here we have a very interesting question. X plus y plus z whole cube must be equal to 27xyz, provided they have given the value of x to the power 1 by 3 plus y to the power 1 by 3 plus z to the power 1 by 3 equals to 0. So these are all rational exponents, okay, in terms of numerator and denominator. Okay, so let's use an identity to our favor. All right, so I have written the identity. So we can see that a plus b plus c, we have been given equal to 0 already. So let's put the same equation in terms of these values. All right, what I mean to say is my a is x to the power 1 by 3, b y to the power 1 by 3, and c z to the power 1 by 3. All right, let's cube them to get the left hand side of the equation. Similarly, we'll place the values of a respectively, okay, b, c, all of them, all three of them. All right, so let's get started. So the first step would be to conform to this equation, provided we are using our own a's. This is our b and z 1 by 3 are c cube, which will be equal to 3abc, 3x 1/3, y 1/3, and z 1/3. Got it? Let's simplify further. 1 by 3 multiplied by 3 plus y 1 by 3 multiplied by 3 plus z 1 by 3 multiplied by 3, and this will be same. All right, so we can very well cancel the 3's and obtain at least this inner portion of our equation, x plus y plus z, which will be equal to 3x to the power 1 by 3, y 1 to the power 3, and z 1 by 3. All right, so next, what are we asked to do? To cube it. So we'll cube both the ends. All right, the LHS as well as RHS. So cubing the left hand side as well as the right hand side, we'll get x plus y plus z whole cube and 3x 1/3, y 1/3, and z 1/3. This will be cube 2. We need to simplify this to get the look of 27xyz. So x plus y plus z will be written as it is, and here we have 3 cube and x, y, z can be written collectively, and then a curly bracket which will have a power of 3. So let's go ahead and do the next step to reach to our goal. This is 27, and x, y, z 1 by 3rd multiplied by 3. Okay, we get this. So therefore x plus y plus z whole cube is equal to 27x y z. All right, so hence proved. Okay, so I hope you have understood all the steps, guys. In case there is any problem, please do write to me in the comments section. I shall help you definitely. Okay, and if you have liked my channel or this video, please do subscribe. It gives us an immense boost and a motivation to produce more such videos for your help, guys. So thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.